the city of Amritsar, founded by the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das Ji. It had golden temple in the center. And the whole city revolves around that. Whenever the people they had chance to build houses, so the Guru Granth Sahib Ji, which we treat as our Guru, people have a room in the house for the Guru. They had one common demand that they wanted their prayer room, or what we call in Punjabi here is Baba Ji ka Kamra, to be the biggest room of the house and the whole house evolve around it. Hello, I am architect Kamarpreet Khurana, founding principal of Ideal Arc, based out of Amritsar, Punjab. Today we are going to talk about Ek Onkar House at Holy City Colony in Amritsar. For details, chapters and PDF ebook, visit Buildofy.com. In Punjab, so we still have the joint family culture, and the culture is one thing which defines and refines architecture. So whenever it comes to designing a house from joint family, with the moving times, one thing it is being seen is that everybody wants their privacy as well. So this house is in Paradise block of Holy City Colony, and it is an area of 2500 square yards. We have exactly divided this into two symmetrical houses. The total area of the house is around 35,000 square feet. And we have decided to keep the two entries on either of the sides so that we could have a common lawn space, a bigger lawn in the center. So we enter into the entrance lounge, which has a formal dining and a formal drawing room. Then we have this informal dining attached with a kitchen on the right side. Then we have two bedrooms. The master bedroom is on the rear side and there's a guest bedroom on the front side. The master bedroom opens to the rear courtyard. Then we have the central area of the house, which is a family lounge. The family lounge is again approached by the passage from the bedrooms, and it is open from both the sides. It is view from the rear courtyard, which is the eastern side, and the western side has a deep veranda to shade the sun. Since it was a western facade, so we have given the louvers for the rooms facing the west, which are majorly the guest room and the main formal drawing room. And for the lounge, we have given a huge deep veranda. So there is no sun but a subdued light which comes into the family lounge. And we have this partition in the center, which can be opened whenever there is some party, or in fact there is some kirtan or part. Then we have this double height lobby area from which there is a single flight staircase, and on the other side we have the lift. We have used a single flight staircase in this house, and we've used a metal staircase which is clad with a darker stone than the normal flooring material. On the wall we have used this perforated concrete tiles, and to top it up we have a tree of life artwork. On the first floor we have the central area, which is the prayer room, which appears on the facade as the biggest window. Here we are at the Gurudwara of the Ek Onkar House in the Holy City Colony. This Gurudwara has been inspired from the architecture of the Golden Temple. The color scheme also, we have used a lot of gold, by using gold leafing, whether it be in ceiling, the ornamentation, the arches, and even the columns which we have made out of solid wood. They are also inspired from the columns in the parikrama of Golden Temple. The wordings from Gurbani, which is inscribed on the wooden as well as on some panels. And then we have the 4 bedrooms, 2 on the front, 1 on the rear. The spaces on the first floor are very well connected through this double height area right in front of the informal dining. The whole building is in brick and concrete. It's a composite structure. The ceilings are in POP and wood. The flooring is of imported marble. The facade, we have used basically 3 materials. One is the chisel cut granite slabs. Then the wood, we have used HPL, and then there's a texture paint apart from the aluminium and glass which we have used for window paints. The railings are in mild steel, painted in grey. The overall theme is in subtle shades of grey. Best thing about this project, it was a huge project and we were involved right from the initial stages of design to the final, and it took 5 years. And till date it has been like one of our biggest project in scale. The kind of teamwork which we depicted to complete this house and coordination with clients and their family. So I think it was a great experience.